guys, this is Millennium Senpai, and I'm going to show you how to make a Kingdom Hearts beat. The first thing I do is when I want to make a Kingdom Hearts beat, I'd rather use a sample or I find a MIDI. For this video, I'm going to find a MIDI. No, Hearts MIDI. You just find a website that has MIDIs on it, and you just find a song that you like or you think just have a good rhythm to it, to add drums to it. Like me, I use Kyrie's theme. And all you do after you download it, you just drag and drop into the piano that you're using. And it'll come up like this. To where now the melody and everything is on the screen. I mean, it's on your project. Then after that, you will just make like me, I'll like chop it up and put it in sections on the project. Like right here, I got it repeating this first half bar. And let it play out, and I don't add the drums until like the main melody pops up. And I let the melody repeat twice before the MIDI ends. And right here with the MIDI, I chopped it up again because the sample was over. It doesn't go that far. And I put the same link pattern from right here to right here. Just add the same drum patterns to it. But I know for this video, you probably want to hear the sound that I originally used. I used the VST Nexus when I dragged and dropped the MIDI. So in the beat that I made, this is what it sounds like. It's always your choice to whatever piano you want to use, whatever VST. I personally like to use Nexus whenever I'm making a Kingdom Hearts type beat. Now, let me get to the drum pattern. Notice I am at 80 beats per minute. I just feel like it's the perfect BPM because I'm able to make more unique beat patterns. So let me let you preview it. So, as always, I always start with the hi-hats. Then I went to the snare. Then I add the kick. The kick really stands out in this song. I made sure that the hi-hats, and the snare all create this rhythm to it. to make you want to bow your head to the beat. And with the 808, I just added it just for the sound. It's not really that unique in the beat, because when you like, your main focus when you listen to the beat is the melody, the kicks, and the snare. Now let me let you hear it with the actual melody. You can change up the kick pattern right here, but I just kept the same because I just felt like it sounded better with the same little kick pattern, because it's unique itself. Plus the melody is like slightly changing throughout the whole song. This right here, when the MIDI sample is about to end, all I do is I take out everything to leave the kicks. And again, as I said earlier, this is actually where the MIDI sample ends, but I chose to chop it up to where I can just repeat it again. Wait, hold on. Let me let you hear it with the MIDI ending right here. And all I do is I repeat the same drum pattern as earlier. I only switch it up when I get right here is when I cut off all the drums. I just completely take out the drums for like one bar and add them back in as a little small bridge, and just changing up the way the beat is. Changing up the way the song is structured. Now, since I got extra time, I can show you how I did the slow down effect. This is like the easiest way to do it. Like when I see people on YouTube explaining it, they always explain it in a hard way. Like I'm gonna just take the first four bars. I'm gonna press Control R. let's say I'm building a desktop and name it K Slow. Okay, once that finished converting, you're gonna go to where it's located and drop it to where you want it to be. For this beat, I'll put it at the very end. Make sure you have this part right here circled, the stretch option. You're gonna cut off the little end piece. And you see right now is that the same tempo as the other one. So all I'm gonna do is just drag it. Wait, let me put it right. Oh, just stretch a little bit. Turn down the volume. And get that slow down effect that you really want. If you want to get more technical with it, you can just change the drum patterns or whatever you want to do. You can change up the volumes too to make sure it doesn't stand out. So like in this one, I didn't do anything to it where you can hear some drums overlap other ones, but that's fine. But thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure you go to the beat, give the thumbs up, like, leave me a comment. And if there's any more suggestions that you have, just let me know. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.